Hello, good morning, and assalamu alaikum to all of my grade 3 students. I'm your teacher, Sana Kausar, over here with the new lecture for all of you. And yes, my lecture number is 20 with all of you. That sounds really big that we have covered a long way with each other. Okay, the topic is today is multiplication. Today we will revise the multiplication and division. Yes, I will give you an introduction of division as well. So tell me that how was the weekend? Okay, any idea that which cartoon character that I selected for all of you? Any idea? Yeah, Zootopia. Zootopia is one of my favorite cartoon movie and I really enjoyed it. So let's see. Question of the day. This is something that I really want to ask to all of my students that did you do any practice of multiplication and division? I really want to know that what is your answer. And look at the expression of this. Yes, Nick Wild. My expression is just like that because I'm asking a very serious question to all of you that did you do any practice? Because I told you that math is all about practice. Task of the day. Okay, task of the day is that we will cover multiplication and in the topic of division, we will cover only division without regrouping. So don't want you all to be very attentive during the lecture. Yes. Interesting facts about multiplication. Okay, yes, this is something that I really want to share with all of you and it will help you in the multiplication as well. First question is who invented multiplication? So this is something that's just for the knowledge. Babylonians. The next question is yes, this is something very important. The product of any number multiplied by a zero is zero. It means whenever you multiply in the multiplication, whenever you multiply any number, like it could be 8 or it could be 8,000. If you multiply any number with zero, your answer will be always zero. So this is something I want you all to just remember this fact. And the next important thing is the product of any number multiplied by a 1 is equal to the number itself. And in the same way, whenever you multiply any number with the number 1, the answer will be same. There will be no change in the answer. So these two facts are something that you are going to use in your questions as well. Okay, yeah, see this face of Sloth. He's so happy. Okay, this is such a nice pic. So let's revise multiplication with
Today we will learn how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Let's have a look at small numbers where you don't need to carry over a digit. How to multiply 341 by 2? The multiplication sign will do the explaining.
Hi, I am the multiplication sign. Let me teach you how to multiply 341 by 2. Now we can start solving using the short way method. First, multiply the ones with the 1-digit number and write the answer below the ones column. Then multiply the tens with the 1-digit number and write the answer below the tens column. Lastly, multiply the hundreds with the 1-digit number and write the answer below the hundreds column. So the answer comes out to be 682.
So, Amber and Precious, I hope you have both understood things very clearly.
Oh yes, Buster, it was great. Yes, Buster, I understood everything.
Today we will learn how to multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Let's have a look at bigger numbers where you need to carry over digits. How to multiply 134 by 5? The multiplication sign will do the explaining.
Hi, I am the multiplication sign. Let me teach you. how to multiply 134 by 5. Now, I'm going to solve this sum using the short way method. First, multiply the one-digit number with the ones digit and write the carry over above the tens column. The ones digit will remain below the ones column. Next, multiply the tens with the one-digit number. Now, add the carry over written above tens with the answer. So, we get 17 tens. So, carry over the hundreds above the hundreds column and write the tens digit below the tens column. Now, multiply the one-digit number with the hundreds. Then, add the carry over above hundreds with the answer. So, we get 670.
Well, the final answer is 670. Have both of you understood?
Yes, Master.
That, but I will explain you more clearly when you will do more examples, so you will get more clearer about it. So let's start our topic. Okay, yes, now we are going to start our work. But definitely, as I told you, math is about more and more examples. So let's do some more examples. Okay, with that, we are going to solve at the first place is 34 multiplied by 5. Okay, this is a very easy example. Let me get my pen and then we will start it. Okay, as I told you, the number which is written over here, so you are going to read its table. So 5 fours are, 5 table is very easy, 5 fours are 20. So you will write down 0 over here and 2 will be carry over. It will be carry on it. You will give it to the other number which is next to it. And 5 threes are 15, and 15 plus 2, you are going to plus this number. So 15 plus 2, the answer is 17. The answer is 17. So let's do another example, right? And that is in the 3 digits. That is explained with the 3 digits. So let's do it. Which table we are going to read? Yes, 6 times table. So 6 threes are 18. I told you that it's about table. And 1 will be carryover. Now 6 ones are 6 and 1 will be added. So your answer will be 7. And 6 twos are 12. But there is no other number over here. So in the last digit at the 100 place, we will write it as it is. 6 twos are 12. So this is the way to do it. And for your convenience, you can even mention a plus sign over here to remember that this number is going to be added with the answer, like 6 ones are 6 and 1 will be added. So it will turn into a 7. Okay. Now my students, let's start our work. Take out your workbook, page number 82. And this is about, basically, this page is about matching, but this matching couldn't be done. You can't do it until you will solve it. So let's start solving it. So which table I'm going to read first in the first part? Yes, 7 times table. So first start with the one side. So 7 twos are 14. So you will write 4 and 1 will be carry over. 7 ones are 7 and 1 will be added. So it will turn into 8. And yes, 7 fives are 35. Okay. Yes, when you solve it, now start looking at the other side. Where is it? Yes, it's at the last. So you will match it like this. See, it's very easy. You just need to solve the question and then you can match it. Okay, now let's do the another part. 4 table. 4 fives are 20. So you will write down 0 over here and 2 will be carry over. Okay, I tell you one fact. 4 zeros are. What will be our answer? 0. Okay, 0 plus 2, the answer is 2. So you are not multiplying it in the second step. You are just adding it. So 0 plus 2, the answer is 2. And 4 twos are 8. Yes, so our answer is 820. So you know that where is it? Yes, so quickly match it. Now let's do another part, third one. It's about 4 times table. Let's start doing it. 4 twos are 8. You will just read the table. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. So you will write down 2 over here and 1 will be carryover. Okay, yes. And now 4 6 are 24. 1 will be added, so it will return into 25. Yes. Now match it. Oh, look at my matching style. My lines are getting very tailed. Okay, let's do the last part. 9 ones are 9. I know that most of the time the students don't bother to solve the last one because they know that this is left. So this will be the answer. But do check your answers. 9 twos are 18. So you will write down 8 over here and 1 will be carried over, and 9 threes are 27. 1 will be added, so it will be turned into 28. Match it. Yes, this is easy. See that multiplication is not difficult at all. Let's do another topic. This topic is just like multiplication, and its name is multiplying three numbers. You are going to learn that how to multiply three numbers, and this is a very easy method. This form of questions will be given and it can be solved in two ways. So what you're going to do, it's totally up to you where you pair it up first. Which two numbers you are going to multiply at first place. So when you multiply 4 6 are 24. So you write down 24 and which number is left? 9. So this 9 will come over here and then you will multiply both the numbers in the rough column because you don't know the table of 9 till 24. So how you gonna multiply? You will write down 24 on the top and 9 will be over here, and then you will solve it. 9 fours are, and then you will write it down. 9 fours are 36, so you will write down 6. 3 will be carry on, and 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 3, the answer is 21. So see, this is the way to solve these three numbers by multiplying with each other. In the second method, what you can do, it's totally your choice. You can first multiply by 6 multiply by 9. When you multiply by 6, 9s are, your answer is 54 and the 4 is left to multiply. So this 4 will be then multiplied by 54 and see, your answer will be same. In both the methods, the answer is 216. This is a very important thing and it can be only correctly solved once you know the tables. If you know the tables, then you can multiply. I told you that if you did not learn the table, then this multiplication and division will not be possible for you to understand or to solve. So let's do some example from our workbook. Now open your workbook page number 83. This is just like the way I explained you previously. The question is given, the three numbers are written over here and you are going to multiply it. But in this question, what they did, they just give you in a form of a blanks. So first you need to pair up which number you might want to multiply first with 4. And as you can see that in the last, they give us a blank with the 9. So you need to pair up these two numbers and you will in the first step multiply 4 with 2. So write it down. When you multiply 4 and 2, 4 twos are 8. What is your answer? 8. So you will write down 8 over here and then 8 multiplied by 9. So you can solve your answer. This is a kind of a, you can say that filling the blanks, that how to solve it. Okay, in the part B, what you're gonna do, you pair up again 6 with 3. So you are going to multiply 6 with 3. So what will be your answer? 6 threes are 18. So you will mention 18 over here. And yes, 18 multiplied by 1. Then there is a no blank over here. So I'm not going to write it. Otherwise, its answer is 18. Easy. You just need to pair up them and then you will fill the blanks to solve it. Once you multiply these two numbers, your answer is 8. So you will mention your number in the second box. So over here, let's do the part C and D. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, you just again pair it up. just start doing it even with me and even before me. So 8 sevens are. Okay, what will be your answer? 8 sevens are. Do you remember the trick? Okay, 56. So you will mention 56 over here. And 56 multiplied by 7, then there is a no blank for answer is given, so we are not solving it anymore. We just stopped at this point. Let's do the part D in the same way. You need to pair the first two numbers. So 6 eights are, yes, that's very easy. 6 eights are 48. Yes, so you will mention 48 over here and then 48 multiplied by 6. They just tell you to solve it in the two steps, and in the say on the same page they give you a question number 2, which is multiply. Now you are going to solve these questions by yourself. So this is a part that requires a proper working, because over here they give you that they want the answer. So what you're going to do, first you need to pair up. You just pair up 5 fives are, then what will be our answer? 5 fives are 25. Okay, now we have a second step. Now 25 will be multiplied by 4. Yes, see the arrow. You are going to multiply 5 with 4, and for this square step you need a proper rough work, because there is you didn't learn the table of 4 till 25, so you need to do a proper rough work on the corner like this. You will write down 25, then you will write down 4 and you will multiply it. So let's multiply it. 5 fours are 20, so you will write 0 and 2 will be carry on. And then 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 2, the answer is 10. Yes, this is our answer, 100. See, in this part, you need to do a proper rough work. So start doing all this rough work with me on your workbook. Now, for the part B, let's pair up. You are going to first multiply by 2 sevens are 14. And now this 14 will be multiplied by 9. Yes, now you will multiply 14 multiplied by 9 in the proper rough column. And when you multiply it, so your answer is 126, because 9 fours are, or 4 nines are 36. 6 will be here, 3 will be carry on, and then 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 3, the answer is 12. So your answer is 126. See, this is the way to do it. This is not difficult at all. Let's pair up. 9 ones are 9. Very easy. 9 ones are 9. So now 9 will be multiplied by 4. This is something that you can do with the direct. No rough work is required, because only one digit is 9 fours are. 9 fours are, yes, 36. So you will mention it directly over here. No rough work is required for part C. This is direct multiplication. Now for the part D, we pair up 3 sevens are 21, and now this 21 will be multiplied with 8. So let's do the rough work. Okay, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So our answer is 168. Yes, easy. Don't get be like frustrated, and don't get like, ma'am, this is difficult. This is not difficult at all. These questions are very interesting. Yes, Sloth is here to tell you, don't hurry and be happy. Yes, he is just telling you that do the work, not like sloths, because they are too much slow, but I want you all to just do your work happily. Important points to understand. This is a very important point that I am explaining you to all of my students, and this is something that you need to just revise again and again. Yes, I want your expressions like this, like a happy faces. Is anyone who is feeling like this? Please, I don't want this kind of a face. I want you all to be excited like this. Yes. Okay, I am telling you a very important point about multiplication, and now I'm telling you a difference between without regrouping and with regrouping. Don't get confused that these names are very big and difficult. No, they are very easy and very simple. And with the one point, you will like, I will explain you only one thing, and you will understand that what is the difference between these two groups. Okay. In the without regrouping method of multiplication, we do not carry on any number. This is like a simple multiplication where you multiply one digit and you don't need to carry over any number. And in the regrouping sessions, we carry on the numbers at ones or tens place, etc. In this method, the answer always comes in the two digits and then you need to carry over. You need to give the one number to the number which is next to it. How? Let's do the example. Okay. Yes, the question is 413 when you multiply it with 2. So you will write down direct, no carryover method like 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are, yes, no number is carryover. That's why this multiplication is very easy because the numbers are always in the single digit and you're not carry over or carry on any number. Okay, now I'm giving a same number 413 and I'm going to multiply it with the table of 5. So 5 threes are, you will multiply it with 5 with 3. So what will be your answer? 5 threes are 15. So you will write down 5 and 1 will be carryover. Now 5 ones are 5 and 1 will be plus, then your answer is 6 and then 5 fours are 20. Yes. See, in this regrouping method, we carry over the numbers. And in without regrouping method, we don't carry any numbers. So this is the basic difference between the multiplication of without grouping and regrouping. The name sounds big and bit difficult, but they all are same questions, just with the one rule. Okay, so mood right now. How's your mood right now? Like this? I don't like. I want like this. I like happy face. I like this kind of a faces. I like this one, but I don't like this kind of a face of my student. That please be happy and attend your lecture happily. Okay. So yes, I am starting my concept with all of you, that is dividing without regrouping. Don't be focused on the big names of topics. These all are simple methods of division. So let's revise first what is division. Division is a method of distributing a group of things into an equal group. As you all know that in the division we make a groups, and in the division the total number of items are always given. Yes, remember the helping trick. This is something that you need to remember always, that in division the total number of items or bigger number is always given. Okay, let's start it. The question is divide 68 by 2. Okay, divide is written over here, so just understand it. What you're gonna do, you will write it down in the same style as I explained you, and the second number, which is a table number, that will come outside and 68 will be inside. So let's start reading 2 times table because we need to find out 6 or the number which is less to it. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Yes, 3. So 3 will come on the top, 6 will over here. 6 minus 6, the answer is 0. And for the same question, after solving it, this arrow will show you now it's turn to divide 8. So you will write down 8 and now again read the table of 2. 2 fours are 8. So you will mention 4 on the top and 8 will be minus with 8 and your answer is 34. Yes, when you divide 68 by 2, your answer is 34. This is the same method of division that you were doing previously. And I told you that you can solve these questions very easily once you start doing the practice. Okay, let's start it. Okay, this is your workbook. Page number is 84 and this is first part that is already explained in your workbook. Like, see, look at the question. 88 divided by 4. So you need to go to your working column and then you will divide it, that 88 divided by 4. So start reading the 4 times table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So you will write down 2 on the top. 8 minus 8, the answer is 0. Then it's turn to move down the next number 8 and then again 4 twos are 8. So your answer is 22. Okay, now let's just hold your pencil and let's start our part A on the workbook page number 84. Yes, let's do a working column that is given in your book. 3 will come outside, 99 will go inside, and then what you're gonna do, start reading the 3 times table. We need to find out 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Okay, we got it. 3 threes are 9. So I mentioned 9. 9 minus 9, the answer is 0. Now it's time to move the another 9 back downward. And again read the table. 3 threes are 9. Again, the answer will be same. So what is our answer, students? 9 nines are? 9 nines are, yes, 0. So you will do this rough work in your workbook and then you will write down your answer over here. That is 33. So mention it over here. Okay. Now for the part B, again you will start your work first in the working column, mention it, read the 9 times table. 9 ones are 9. Okay, that's very. Now this 4 will come down. Okay, now this is only 4 and this is a bigger number. Does anyone read the see that the 4 comes in a 9 times table? No, because 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. All the numbers are bigger. So our question is stopped at this place. And you will write down your answer in the column that 1 is your answer and R you will write down that shows remainder and 4 will be a remainder. 4 is left because you can't divide it 4 on the table in the table of 9. So 4 is remainder and 1 is your answer. See that are mentioned on the page number 85. They are just like same. I'm also solving it and you just also solve it with me. So let's start our part C. Start reading 3 times table. 3 ones are 3. Now 6 will come down. 3 twos are 6. Please don't laugh on my writing because I'm solving these questions for all of you. Okay, this question has 3 steps. 6 minus 6, again the answer is 0. Now we have another number as well, so now it's turn to move down the 5 number over here. Okay, and you need to check which is bigger, 3 is bigger or 5 is bigger. 5 is bigger, so we need to find out the number 5 in a 3 times table or the number which is less to it. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, so 6 is bigger, so I'm selecting only 1. 3 ones are 3. Okay, yes. Now 5 minus 3, the answer is 2. Now 3 is bigger, 2 is smaller, so we can't divide it anymore and our answer is 121, and what is the remainder? That is 2. Okay, now do the next part. That's the easiest one. That is the easiest one, trust me. Okay, let's do it. So look at this, how I solve this question. 7 ones are 7. 7 minus 7, the answer is 0. So now it's turn to move the second number down. Again, 7 ones are 7. I just crossed it with 7 minus 7. The answer is again 0. Now it's turn to move down the third number. Yes, again 7 ones are 7. So our answer is 111. See how easy it is? One by one you will move down each and every number and then you will subtract it. Last part of the day is, yes, I hope so that my students can solve it even before me, and I want you all to just start solving it with me or even before me. So let's do it. Yes, now how I solve this question? As you can see that 6, you need to read the 6 times table. 6 ones are 6, so I mentioned 1 over here and 6 down. 6 minus 6, the answer is 0. Then I move second number down. Again 6 ones are 6 and move 2 down. Now 6 is bigger and 2 is smaller, so it can't be divided anymore. So our answer is 11 and remainder is 2. Yes. See how easy it is? And the last part is something that you all will divide by yourself. Yes, this is your self-assessment part F that you all will do by yourself. How you will do it? You will write 4 outside. So just start reading the 4 times table and then solve it by yourself. Only this part is your self assessment just to make sure that you guys are understanding it or not. Don't forward the lecture. Yes. Okay, that's all for today. This is me. I'm just about to sign out, and I hope so that you all understand that how to do the division. Please, please, please be focused on your work. And yes, this is a quote of the day. We all have a limitations. We all make mistakes. Yes, mistakes are a part of a learning. So don't get confused. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Do a mistakes because mistakes makes us perfect. That's all for today. Do practice of multiplication and division. And in my next lecture, which will be on the Thursday, I will give you a task for the weekend too. So take care. Bye bye.